Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering the iPhone off and ejecting the SIM tray so nothing moves during work. Next, remove the 2 pentalobe screws at the lightning port. These secure the display to the frame. Once done, warm the lower edge with a heat source to soften adhesive. Aim for about 40-45 degrees C, then apply a suction cup and a thin plastic pick to separate the display slowly. You want a gap. Make sure you don't force the screen beyond a few millimeters, or you risk cable damage. You should open the display carefully and prop it at a 90-degree angle like a book to avoid stress on the cables. Remove the small bracket screws covering the connector block, then disconnect the battery first. This prevents short circuits while you work on the plate. Next, unplug each display and sensor cable in sequence, keeping track of which connector goes where. Now remove the screws that hold the metal plate in place. Use the correct driver and a magnetic mat or labeled tray so every screw. You lift the metal plate gently once all screws and connectors are free, checking for any adhesive or plastic clips that might still hold it. If stuck, apply a little heat and pry at a corner. After removing the plate, reverse the steps to reinstall. Position plate, replace screws in their original locations, reconnect display cables, and reconnect the battery last. Before resealing with adhesive, power on and test touch, cameras, and sensors. If something fails, reseat connectors and verify screw placement. Small errors are usually connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.